Welcome to Getting Started with Pinline Borders. Now you can add the effect of a pinstripe to frame your photos inside Lightroom without Photoshop or any plugins. Precision Presets Borders use precisely engineered Lightroom masks to add borders to your images in Lightroom. Because of this, they are non-destructive and can be modified to your needs. Here are some tips to help you understand the best way to use the Pinline Borders pack. Install the presets using the Import Presets command in Lightroom Classic, Lightroom, or Adobe Camera Raw. After you install the presets, you will see a preset group named Precision Presets 02 Pinline Borders in the Presets panel. The Pinline Borders pack includes two types of borders. Borders with a single mask let you customize the appearance of the pinline, and there are borders with two masks that let you customize both the pinline and the area outside the pinline on your image. There are pinline borders from thin to thick in both black or white. There are also double borders in black and white with offsets of thin, medium, and thick. To see a preview of the border you are adding to your image, open the Pinline Borders group and hover over the different preset options. If you don't see the borders when you hover over the presets, you will need to enable the Enable Hover Preview of Presets option in your Lightroom Classic preferences. When you find a border you like, click on it, and a mask with the border will be added to your photo. It is recommended that you add the border presets after cropping your image, because changing the crop will change how the border shows up on the image. If that happens, don't worry. All you need to do is reapply the border preset for the new crop. Making changes in the transform panel or manual distortion will also cause the border to be distorted, and the preset will need to be reapplied. It is also recommended that the border preset be added after other local masking adjustments are made to the photo. Although it isn't likely, adjustments to point color or curves could affect the border mask if it's not the last mask added. How to work with these conflicts will be covered in a later video. You can also replace the border presets with a different one if you like. Simply go into the Presets panel and select the new border you want. It will replace the current border mask with the one you just selected. There is a limitation to replacing masks. The new border preset needs to have the same number of masks as the one you are replacing, so a border with one mask can replace another border with one mask, and one with two masks can replace one with two masks. The simple rule is 1 replaces 1, 2 replaces 2. If you need to change to a border preset that has a different number of masks in it, go into the Mask panel and delete the current border masks before adding the new preset. Once you have added the border preset to your photo, you can always go into the Mask panel and delete the mask with the border. These border presets are compatible with any other presets you might use, and you can add them before or after adding the border preset. Although the Pinline border presets start out as black and white, they can be modified to produce any color or any effect that you want. If you have the Lightroom presets for colored borders installed, you can go into the Masking panel, select the border you want to change, and then select the Local Adjustment preset with the color you want. After selecting that preset, you can use the Point Color tool and modify the border color to match the exact color you want. You can also use the Amount slider for the border mask to fade the effect of adding the pinline to the image. Pinline borders with two masks have a slight contrast increase for the outer mask. They are meant to be customized by the user to create special effects. You can create your own effect for the border mask by selecting Reset on the Mask Adjustments, and then adding your own adjustments to the masked area. Some adjustments you may want to try are lowering the exposure to create a border that is dark but still has color, reducing the saturation to create a black and white border that contrasts with the colors of the image, or changing the white balance to emphasize or set off the color balance of the main image. If you need to reapply or change the border preset after making adjustments to the mask, the new border mask will revert to black and white. You can always save the custom mask adjustments using the Save Current Settings as New Preset command in the Local Adjustment Presets menu. Then you can apply those local adjustments to your borders. These masks also work with snapshots and virtual copies. As you can see, border presets let you be as creative as you want. Get started right away with making your photos stand out with Precision Presets Pinline Borders. Check out our online shop at precisionpresets.etsy.com. Now you're ready to start creating. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.